Urban agriculture refers to the practice of growing, processing, and distributing food in or around urban areas. This can include backyard gardening, tactical spaces, street landscaping, greenhouses, vertical gardens, and green walls, just to name a few. Urban agriculture, also sometimes called urban farming, has expanded in popularity due to a lack of traditional gardening spaces in areas with a high population density.
For me, actually seeing areas that have flowers and vegetables and fruit in is actually really good, especially for the mindset of the community, because there's so much concrete around and there's so much busy traffic. So seeing a raised bed or any type of planters in the city is actually really good for my soul, and I think for everyone else, actually, it just brings the countryside into the city. It's really spread the word that it doesn't matter where you live, if you live in an apartment or a house or a home, wherever, there's hope that you can do some gardening, you can do guerrilla gardening, which is absolutely wonderful. So it's really given the community hope, and it's a really, really positive thing. That's all I can say. It gives passion back into the area, because there's so many townhomes and apartments being built. It's actually giving someone the green space, and especially if they see, random peppers and herbs growing, they can then go home and say, yes, I can do this on my windowsill, or I can do this on my balcony. So it's really giving the community, it's bonding the community actually as well. It's communication, and it's just a wonderful thing.
Reimagining urban spaces as places for gardens and food sources can mean getting creative. The Gardens Lakeshore created a partnership with our local mall, CF Sherway, as an unexpected place for a garden.
So for CF, it's important to be involved in these kind of projects. Really having a space for community gardens invites people to see our properties as a place where local community can be created. And it aligns with our commitment to environmental sustainability. I think it ties into our purpose. So our purpose is transforming communities for a vibrant tomorrow. And this garden space ties into so many of our values, giving back to the community, to a local food bank, as well as our employee wellness. So feedback from some of the coworkers have been very positive. It's, I've heard that it's just a nice, quiet place to take a quick break, just to breathe, especially in the current times that we're in. And it's a great place to, make connections and maybe, talk to another employee that you haven't had a chance to talk to in some time, or even meet. And it's a great place to tend to the plants.
Urban agriculture and urban farming can be found throughout Toronto and Etobicoke. If you're interested in urban farming, consider volunteering with a community group in your area, create a partnership community garden, or consider transforming an unexpected space you have into a garden space. Remember that urban agriculture can be found in all sorts of spaces and is as unique as the city we live in.